time to check another myth. Velvet mantle drongo are extinct in Kenya. Not really. So if you really want to check the status of birds in Kenya, you'd go to the East African Rarities Committee, which is a working group, and it is composed of very strong birders, people who've been in the ornithologist's workspace for a really long time, and who really know this country well. And they compile a list of birds that are new to the country or that are endangered. And just going through their website, if you look at their country lists, and we zoom into Kenya, you get an output that when you confirm the detail of, you find some really interesting output. And I'm happy that there's a couple of items here that this channel has contributed to. Cinnamon-breasted bunting. I will bring that up. That we found in Turkana. There is also the francolin, black-fronted francolin, that was in another episode. And today we focus on the velvet mantle drongo, which is classified as extinct in Kenya. So the best place to start this is in South Nandi. Beautiful place. And the green bulls there are super exciting. The San Soldiers green bull. And always link up with Timon, who's the guide. And normally we agree to spend some time in the forest. The foresters are really good. So Ursula and the rest of the people in that forest station are quite welcoming.
I said I have to really watch out for my back.
So on this day we are together with Pete, with Timo, with Adrian. And Adrian had seen a drongo, and even photographed it, that looked a little off. So we just want to confirm, because it's a deep forest drongo, and unlike the other savanna drongo, it has a forked tail. There's a patch on the wings, which is very different. It's a different drongo, so we are just hoping to have a look at that. As usual, it's a beautiful place, blue-shouldered robin chats, and just listening to the sounds of the forest is always truly nice. There's a hole here. It's a nice frog. There's a nice frog here.
Still there?
Oh, you've seen it? It's yeah. Yeah. Sure. The black-faced rufous warblers are very vocal today, and they're allowing for some very good photos. And then time for a break. I separate a bit from the main group and get an opportunity to just relax and make some chai. Also an opportunity to stretch and do a bit of physio exercises. But as that is happening, there's some really nice birds in the background. The photos I've shown earlier, they have Sergius greenbow that was in this particular place. And if you listen to the background, there's the usual forest choir of Uganda woodland warbler, black-faced rufous warbler, different cameropters. I couldn't focus my camera ring that well. But listen to the music. Loads of battle trogons today. Maybe there's need for a cameraman to just focus on some of the video quality. And then after the chai, time to clean up a beautiful stream, to clean up dirty pots, many butterflies all around me. And at some point, Timor tells us, hey, I've spotted the Drongo. And when we go, it's lost. But then we spend a bit of time and finally trace it. It's just one Drongo. Different to the other Drongos, it's the tail is more forked. It's got a silvery sheen on the wings. It's a different Drongo, no doubt about that. I'm quite happy, and we'll try to get a Cassin's honeybird for Pete, who's my friend who we are traveling with, and then